Hello friends, today we are going to see what is the default value returned by Python functions. So in Python functions return keyword is optional, so we will see practically. So I am defining here one function print line, then this print line function is just printing one line hello world. So now we have defined this function, we need to call this function print line. So now I will run this program. So now it is printing hello world. So now this function is not returning anything. So we know that return keyword is optional. So if we write return keyword, what happens, we will check. So now we will check here return val equal to this, and we will print this return value on the console. So I will save this program and run. So now our function, in our function we have written this return keyword. So now it is printing none, means if we are not returning anything from this function, so now it is returning none. So now I have told you this return keyword is optional. So if you don't write, so what happens, we will check. So it is still returning none, means if you write return keyword or if you don't write return keyword, it will return none value if this function is not returning anything. For example, now we will explicitly return some value here. For example, 100 we are returning. So now here 100 we are getting. So if you are not returning any value from this function, the default value returned by this function is none, that we have verified, right? So in this way we have seen this. So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.